this, most of us wonder, how do you earn on these platforms? Now I'm going to talk about mostly on Facebook, because majority of people, you find Facebook easier to post on, to be live on, to be there. Yeah. Facebook is my second account. The YouTube is the first. Facebook is the second. Third is others. But as far as making money is concerned, Facebook is the second. The main one is YouTube, and I have 2 YouTube channels. I have Immaculate Show. You can go and visit us on Immaculate Show. That one major, it is on earning money with your smartphone, making money online. And that it will be talking about how you can make money on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, like that. Then there is also a second one, which is about Whispers of Love. Whispers of Love, we all grow. We all love to be loved, and we all love to love. We are doing what we are doing because of love. No one should ever love. Everything at the end, we need love. And we're talking about the true love of Christ. Because I cannot give you that romantic love if I don't know the true love of Christ. I never. Bet me. You cannot love someone genuinely, romantic, and you feel that sweetness if you don't know the love of Christ. So you can also visit us on Whispers of Love. We dropped a video there on heartbreak breaks. It pains more than a broken bone, a broken muscle. So just go, and it is by Pastor Kagwisa Dansan. You really feel it. I felt it, I felt it within me. So let's dive in and see exactly. Most of you ask, how do you earn on Facebook? There are 3 elements you can use on earning on Facebook. You should consider if you want we can call them the determinants of our earnings on Facebook. I'm trying to put on my second phone such that I can give you the details, but if it delays, I don't know. I see it was off, and but it is delaying to be on. Okay, there are 3 clusters. What matters, what determines your earning? There are individuals who I always see them on Facebook. They will write and say like 3 millions, they have like $2. 3 damn millions, you have $2. That is so funny, and you have been on Facebook. So this is what determines your earnings on Facebook. Majorly, 1, it is the first one is originality of your content. Originality of your content, meaning I'm bringing it in a simple way. How original is your content? So I'll be attaching something on this video later. How your content is original matters so much. Why? When the content is original, it scores so high. But for example, you're among the bloggers, you're among the people who bring this information from here and there and put, it is trending information. So it means that one will blow off, will be viral. But it might be among the other videos that you'll find you have 3 millions and with $2. So you try to make your videos be original such that it can score high. And don't concentrate more on the views and you forget you get views and you can't withdraw. That is so unfortunate. This is not from me. I've been telling you about it, but you can also see it. It is from Facebook itself. And this is across, whether it is other platforms, it is also like that. Then the second one is the engagement level. Engagement level matters so much in scoring your earnings. If the engagement is high, get to know that your money will be high, your earnings will be high. So engagement, what is involved in engagement? In engagement, we have likes, we have reactions, like you can go on a post, you just long press and it comes a heart, it comes some smiley like that, or you can go and just like and go, that is one. Or you can go ahead, go to the comment section, comment, and I always encourage you, if you're to comment like on my post, you can comment as 100 as you can, provided they are not spammy. They are related to the video, because it will be scoring it high. Then the third, it is sharing. The moment you share someone's video, it is a plus to the scoreboard. Because I'm bringing it this one because I wonder when I see some people minding more about views and they don't. That's why you always see someone will celebrate his views or her views. I have 3 millions and goes and cover the money because the money is not correlating with the video, with the views. But if you had 3 millions and you have $300, why not expose it? You put it up. But that's why you see someone has 3 million views with $3 and will cover it. So we have to know, be proud of the money, not be proud of the views. This is very important. The score is so high as far as engagement is concerned. Then let's move to the another one. What determines your earnings on Facebook and other social media platform? It is the audience. Your audience matters. You be like now, you find you have my audience. I'll show you my audience on Facebook. Is not Uganda, is not where, and that is a plus for me. The audience, Europe, UK, that one, it gives you enough earnings. The algorithm rewards the people that watch your video. They reward you as to the people that watch your videos. So you need to know that. So there are other things, other small things, but these are more important. And I feel I've answered. Most people have been asking, what determines the earnings? Is it the views? Is it the comments? Is it how edited it is? What really? But these are the 3 to 4 major ones. So just my pro tip is, you guys, learn to always make your things original. It's not that you're going to be the inventing. No one is inventing any idea here. What I'm doing right now, someone did it. But step into it, do it yourself. It's better than you going to get my video and boom, and put it. If I told you get my video and put it there, add value. You add value by editing, you add value by adding maybe some captions, you add value by also making it shorter, then the remaining you put reaction yourself. So that's it, guys. Please share this video, let it move. I also want to go viral. Though I know viral is not a must that you get money, but like us who are already in a very good niche, being viral is a plus. So guys, allow me say thank you very much. See you in another video. You can find this video in all social media platforms of Immaculate because it's across here.